Hi, I'm Erica Frank, founder and executive director of Health Sciences Online. I'm going to start this short intro by telling you some things that some of our colleagues have had to say about HSO. For example, Jeff Copeland, former director of CDC, said HSO is a visionary undertaking, and the World Bank's Carmen Carpio has said that we're going to help globally democratize health sciences knowledge. You can click on About Us to read more good reviews, but my favorite comes from our director of HSO Africa.
With our relatively limited connectivity in Ghana, it's great to be able to quickly search the world's best health science resources. HSO is going to help doctors feel more intellectually supported, and that will help them stay put in Africa where they are so critically needed.
I'm Kate Tyran, Content Director for HSO, and clearly part of the reason why our colleagues say all these nice things is the more than 50,000 resources that we have gathered. We link to courses, references, texts, guidelines, videos, and other resources, all selected by our knowledgeable staff. And we find these resources in already existing reliable collections, like medical specialty societies, accredited continuing education organizations, governments, and top-ranked universities.
And I'm Artak. To close, let me just quickly show how HSO works. Just type in hso.info and then type in the term you would like to search for. Let's try tuberculosis. And you get some materials, some overviews, a position statement from UN, materials from CDC, USAID, several universities. Let's say you want to learn in depth and you want to try courses, and here you get several choices. And now let's try myocardial infarction. And here you have some pieces from universities, from Cleveland Clinic, European Society of Cardiology, from ARC, some pieces from Canada.
It's a pretty simple concept, but after 7 years of development and more than 50,000 resources gathered by our knowledgeable staff, we think you'll find it useful. HSO, by the way, is a nonprofit, and we've gotten support from the Canadian government, World Health Organization, NATO, the Edinburgh Physician Training Program, and many other generous and committed donors, and lots of volunteers. Since it's a grassroots effort, and since we try to minimize our carbon footprint, we're not there with you in person. But thank you for letting us introduce you to HSO, and try using it the next time you want to find an authoritative, comprehensive, free, and ad-free resource in the health sciences. And let us know if you'd like to collaborate. There's all sorts of amazing translation properties and disease surveillance and needs assessments that we can do, in addition to being an authoritative online health sciences university, complete with library. So come visit HSO.